The smell from this grill is unreal. Absolutely massive. So the lovely barman just gave me this drink. It smells a bit like rakia, Gibelli. I think it's petrol mixed with petrol. You can really feel the Italian influence. So you could be somewhere in Italy, couldn't you, sat here? Kit actually gave the controversial statement. She said it's better than the pizza in Italy. And here is the lovely Fosa fishing harbour. I can see why they say Zadar has the best sunset in Croatia. Dobro jutro from beautiful Zadar, Croatia. We got here yesterday, but the weather wasn't the best, so I didn't do much filming really. But we just had a look around and we had some good ciabatta, didn't we?
We did. Dinner was lovely.
We've got a good day of sightseeing planned, but first I want to show you guys something really cool that's exclusive to Zadar. So let's go. So the Sea Organ was opened in 2005 by Nikola Basic, the architect, and what happens is the sea flows into the cavities in the wall and that interacts with the organ, creating these lovely but random sounds.
You can sort of hear, like you can tell they're coming from here.
Yeah.
It's very loud where we're sat right now.
But it's really nice and it's a great way how they used up this concrete, because after the Second World War a lot of Zadar was destroyed unfortunately, so they've made good use of this space here and turned it into something really nice, haven't they? It also won an award in 2005 for the best urban public space.
I can tell why. I love it in here. I love just staying here.
Now I don't know too much about Zadar, but I do know that it was ruled over twice by the Venetians in 1202 when it was captured by them, and then it was sold to them in 1409 by King Ladislaus. So there's a lot of Italian history here as well as Yugoslav history, as you can see with all these Roman columns here. And in front of me here, Church of St. Donatus, which is the largest Byzantine church in Croatia. You can see it's really old.
They're putting the stage up.
It looks like they're doing setting up a stage here for maybe a performance of some kind. It feels very medieval here, doesn't it? With all the walls and
I know what you mean.
all these marble Roman pillars. One thing I don't like about when you go to see some ancient ruins and you've just got people climbing all over them. That's where I can see it's good where in Athens, isn't it, where it's all fenced off, because some people just can't be trusted, can they?
The thing is, there's benches around and people still chose to sit on these instead.
People are stupid. Writing on this one. You've got some Latin wrote in this one over here. If anyone can read Latin, let me know in the comments what this says. Just look at some of these intricate designs. Would have all been handmade as well. And look what we got here, guys. A classic Balkan Mercedes. Nice palm trees. Yeah, all of this, what I'm walking on now, looks like it's brand new, so they must be doing a lot of maintenance here, preparing Zadar for the tourist season. This waterfront promenade reminds me slightly of Thessaloniki. And look at that wonderful view here. So you've got the island of Ugljan. You can see the settlement there, looks beautiful. And Hazman behind, I believe. We're going to try and get out to the islands at some point while we're here. Right guys, we are just sat in Narodni, which is People's Square. And it's a lovely square here in Zadar. There's a beautiful clock tower just behind us actually. It seems to be the happening place, doesn't it, in Zadar?
Very busy here.
Very busy, yeah. They've got all different restaurants. They've got a sushi restaurant, a Japanese contemporary cuisine of all the places just next door. But we've sat in this lovely little cafe. I've gone for a cappuccino. I think it's gone for the same. So we're going to drink these and do a bit more exploring. Givelli. You know, sat in this square here, you can really feel the Italian influence of the town. It feels you could be somewhere in Italy, couldn't you, sat here?
Yeah.
Did you get that vibe? Isn't how it definitely adds with the Godfather playing in the background, the Godfather theme. Yeah, it feels very, very Italian here, doesn't it? You can definitely see the influence.
Like pizza and Italian restaurants about as well, isn't there? Like pasta, pizza.
Like I said, the Venetians had a strong rule over this place, the Romans. So it's like a really interesting mix of typical Yugoslavia food and cuisine and culture, Balkan cuisine. So you've got your ciabatta, you've got your classics. But then, as Kit was just saying, you've got the seafoods, you've got the risotto. Yeah, it's a nice mix, isn't it? Yeah.
It's like the perfect weather as well today. It's not too, like it's hot when you're in the sun. It's not cold at all. There's a bit of wind, but it's quite nice because it's warm out there. This is my idea of a very nice day out.
Now, one thing Zadar is known for is its pizza. So we've just sat down in this place here called Crazy Pizza. And we've ordered a Slavonska pizza, which is tomato, cheese, mushrooms, Callum, which is a type of sausage, a Croatian and Serbian sausage, bacon, onions, Tabasco, pepper and olives. Right, our pizza's just come out. Check this out, guys. Oh, it smells so good.
I can't wait to eat one of these.
Do you want to do the honours, Kit?
Always. I don't even know where to start.
Nice.
That is really nice. That is really good.
Right, let's try it then. Yeah, it's a really nice pizza. Right guys, we're going to smash this and we'll get back to you after. Givelli. Lovely pizza at Crazy Pizza. Definitely recommend if you're here in Zadar. Kit actually gave the controversial statement. She said it's better than the pizza in Italy, and I would agree with her. Apart from Napoli pizza is incredible, but in general,
No, I think I still preferred this.
You still preferred that one?
Yeah,
Fair enough.
That was really nice.
But yeah, it was definitely better than the pizza in Sorrento, what we just had in Zadar.
That first pizza we did in Sorrento, it was like this thick.
Really nice pizza here in Zadar, as it's known
Pizza
for.
here or pizzeria?
Pizza here. I think since we've been in Zadar, it reminds me a little bit of a combination between Dubrovnik and Corfu town. The architecture is very similar to Corfu town. I will say though, it's a lot more expensive here in Croatia, or especially where we are in the tourist areas, than it is in Serbia or Bosnia. Definitely. I mean, part of that's probably due to them being in the EU with a euro, more tourists, etc. But just keep in mind it's a little bit more expensive here than the neighbours in former Yugoslavia. Right, we're just making our way to Fosa now, or Fosa, which is the fishing harbour. Looks really nice, I'm looking forward to seeing it. So we've now just passed through the land gate, which was the main entrance into the city in the Roman times. Check this out. Beautiful. And here is the lovely Fosa fishing harbour.
Yeah.
Lovely, isn't it?
It is.
It does remind me of Corfu town quite a lot, especially the city walls behind me and the colour of these buildings here. Yeah, definitely. These buildings
it
here.
reminds me of when we were in Corfu. Do you remember when we went to go have lunch by the harbour? Was it the harbour?
Yeah, sure.
Brown. I'm sure it was coffee.
I can't remember.
So I got that calamari, and for the first time it came with like the tentacles. I'd never seen it before like that.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it would make sense considering Corfu town has a lot of Venetian influence as well. And you can tell, judging by how the architecture looks of the land gate, it's very Renaissance era. As far as fishing harbours go, this one is absolutely stunning. Lovely boats, beautiful architecture, lovely weather as well today. So I believe this beautiful building behind me is part of the University of Zadar. There's literally a sign on the front that says no tourists allowed. I think they've had to put that because it's such a beautiful building. People probably just wandering off the streets, but it's actually a school.
My uni looks nothing like, that's not my uni. The uni I work at looks nothing like this. Nor does the uni I went to be honest with you.
But really beautiful building. You can see why they've had to put that sign up, can't you?
Yeah.
I think that's one of the ferries there taking people to the islands.
No, Princess Nona get that free pirate boat that we got.
Yeah, it was good fun, wasn't it?
So what is this?
This is the Pink Tower, I believe. These flowers smell lovely. And as you see in the Roman Forum earlier, this is what it would have looked like back in the day. Amazing. We visited the beautiful Cathedral of St. Anastasia, which is actually the largest cathedral in Dalmatia in Croatia. And we also went up the bell tower, which was built between the 12th and the 13th century, and there was really nice views on top of the bell tower of Zadar. Dobar dan, welcome back. Me and Kit spent the last couple hours exploring Zadar. We were just sat in a restaurant called Terracotta because we wanted to go for a quick beer, because we were planning on going to the beach. However, the weather's took a bit of a turn for the worse and it's raining again, unfortunately. We sat down at this restaurant, Terracotta, and
It was a bar lounge.
yeah, a bar lounge. Because we weren't getting food, just getting drinks. They told us that we weren't allowed to sit inside. So we thought, that's the first time that's ever happened to me. I thought that was a bit weird. So we've gone back to Dea Pub, which is our local pub here, around the corner from where we're staying. And it's a really nice bar. Service with a smile as well. Nice people here. And I've gone for a Jusko classic Hrvatska lager, Croatian lager. What are you going for, Kit?
I have a coffee with cream. It's literally a big dollop of cream in a shot of espresso. So far I've had the cream, it's lovely.
Dobar dan, guys, welcome back. We just sat in Konoba, Rafaelo, this lovely meat restaurant here. It was actually recommended from my mate Josh, so shout out Josh. And we just sat literally right behind the grill. It smells absolutely unreal, doesn't it, Kit?
I'm excited for this.
Feels very local here. I think we're the only foreigners that are non-Croats sat here actually, looking around. We've actually ordered the platter Rafaelo, named after the place, and we've got a bit of everything on there. We've got beef, we've got steak, what else we've got pork, haven't we?
We've got pork, we've got lamb chops, we've got steaks, vegetables, fries,
Mushrooms.
mushroom sauce. I had to drive on the way here as well, so it was really good for meat here. So I'm glad we went for the platters. We get to try all the different types, to be fair.
Exactly. The smell from this grill is unreal, so I'm really looking forward for the food to come out. So our platter's just come out, and check this out, guys. Absolutely massive. We've got a bit of everything, haven't we?
I hope you're hungry. I really want to try this mushroom sauce.
Go on, try it and do the honours. Is it nice? Let's try the mushroom first.
I don't even know where to start.
That's amazing. That's so good. Right, time to try the beef steak. Is your belly? That's different level. Have you had a bit of your beef yet? What do you reckon?
Sorry, my mouth is full. It's really good.
Yeah, that meat's absolutely amazing. So tender. It's just cooked perfectly, isn't it? It's come with roasted vegetables, there's peppers, onions, mushrooms. The mushroom sauce is incredible. Tender beef, fries, Wow. Right, we're going to make our way through this and we'll see you after. Giveli. Defeated. That was absolutely amazing. How was that out of 10, kid?
9.5 out of 10.
What was the 0.5 missing?
That it was too much.
So if you're in Zadar and you're a fan of grilled meat, you need to go to Konoba, Rafaelo, because that was amazing. Honestly, that was some of the best meat I've had, really good. Right guys, so the lovely barman just gave me this drink. I'm not sure what it is. It smells a bit like rakia, but I'm not entirely sure what it is at all. What do you reckon, Kit?
I think you're mad.
Giveli, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, it's pretty strong. I think it's petrol mixed with petrol. Yeah, it's got a kick to it, that has. I'm not sure what it is. It tastes a little bit like brandy, but it tastes a little bit like rakia. I'm not too sure. I'll find out what it is. Yeah, it was strong, whatever it was. Yeah, that meal, unreal. 10 out of 10, wasn't it, Kit?
Yeah.
See you in a minute. Right guys, we're literally rushing to the front now to view which is said to be one of the best sunsets in Croatia from here in Zadar. Check this out. It's beautiful, isn't it?
It is, it's worth getting there.
I can see why they say Zadar, and this place in particular, has the best sunset in Croatia, because check this out. Absolutely stunning sunset. And on that note, I'm going to end the video for tonight here. So, do viđenja, laku noć. See you in the next one.